Hi everyone, this is Neha Tiwari. Welcome back you all on my YouTube channel Morning Buzz. It's been like 1.5 months जब मैंने ये channel start किया था, and then I'm getting a feedback that Neha, you should do some yoga poses which should be very easy to do. So today's yoga session is very gentle, very soothing. All you need is yourself, your yoga mat, and you are ready to go. And do watch this video till the end because I have a task for you at the end of this video. Let's slowly come back to child pose. Tuck your toe under and we are moving to downward facing dog position. जो बिगनर हैं वो अपनी नीज़ को पहले बेंड रखेंगे एंड स्लोली ट्राई करेंगे अपने हैमस्ट्रिंग को स्ट्रेट करने का. इफ़ यू वांट आप अपने फीट को पैडल भी कर सकते हैं. एंड देन फ्रॉम हियर टेक अ स्मॉल स्टेप्स एंड कम फॉरवर्ड. नीज़ को बेंड रखना है एंड देन ग्रैब योर एल्बोज एंड स्लोली स्विंग योर बॉडी. You will start feeling your head very heavy. This is very helpful for releasing any kind of stress. And from here, come halfway up, keeping your spine straight. And then from here, reach to ankle with your knees bent. If you want to go more further, you can bring your hand to the chest and keep your knees straight. But listen to your body. आपको जिस position में comfortable लगे आप वहाँ stay कर सकते हैं. Now from here, bend your knees and slowly lift your body in standing straight position. Opening up your palm and then take a deep breath and raise your arm and bring it to your heart. Just feeling this energy one more time. Raise your arm and bring it to your heart. From here, bend your knees. Place your palm on the mat and take your right leg back and then your left leg back in a plank position. Then drop your knees, then chest, then your chin, and then we'll do a baby cobra pose. ये आपके बैक पेन के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है. And then from here move to child pose. We have to do this relaxation few times. And then from here move to downward facing dog. And slowly from here walk your feet forward, bend your knees and slowly roll yourself up and then raise your arm and come all the way down and slowly come in the position, legs extended in front of you. Then raise your arm and slowly move your upper body trying to touch your toe. इस आसन में भी आप जहाँ भी comfortable हो वहीं stay कर सकते हैं. If you want, you can bend your knees also. Just breathe normally. This is really amazing for your belly fat. Now lift your body up and lie down on the mat. And from here, we are moving to butterfly position. This is a really good stretch for your thighs. And then extend your legs and relax in Savasana. Appreciate yourself for doing this yoga session, for taking out time for yourself. Then come up and sit in comfortable position and relax.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. You can practice this yoga on a daily basis. Now it's time for the task. अगर आप मेरी वीडियो देखते हैं and if you are practicing that at home, तो आप उसकी छोटी सी वीडियो या फिर कोई फ़ोटो क्लिक करके मुझे Instagram अकाउंट पे सेंड कर सकते हैं. I'm just one text away. Till the time, stay tuned on this channel for more fitness videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below so that you can get the latest notification about my videos.